My name is Danielle Robinson, and I am the President and CEO of the Ottawa Senators Foundation. We are an organization that provides all kinds of charitable support to our community. We're the charitable arm of the Ottawa Senators Hockey Club. Our mission is to engage, empower children and youth in our community in the areas of social recreation, physical and mental wellness, and of course post-secondary education. In the last few years, we've been able to give back $30 million to this community, and that's something that we're very proud of.
My name is Shonda Michener, and I'm the Director of Event Fundraising and Administration for the Ottawa Senators Foundation. About 2 years ago, we decided we needed a full overhaul of our CRM systems because we had a lot of disparate systems that didn't speak to each other.
My name is Caitlin Ridgway. I'm the Manager of Communication and Community Fundraising. We decided to go with the Salesforce platform to really get our whole data for our fundraising team all in one spot to get a 360 view of everything and our donors.
My name is Jonathan Bodden. I'm the Vice President of Corporate Relations and Fundraising for the Ottawa Senators Foundation. We're an event-based fundraising organization, and so we sell corporate tables or golf foursomes or advertising sponsorships for our telethon. The Salesforce solution has helped us to become a far more sophisticated fundraising organization. So formerly, using Excel spreadsheets and sticky notes and a lot of work over the telephone, we've now got a far more robust and sophisticated sales cycle.
Even more than just a CRM to keep track of our donors, it is where our business lives.
Ultimately, why we decided to partner with Nubik on this huge transformation is because they came very highly recommended from the Ottawa Senators Hockey Club, who is also using the Salesforce platform.
When we decided to go with Nubik, one of our first meetings was to put together a plan on how we would get our data from all of our different areas all together and migrated into the Salesforce platform. Nubik totally guided us on that process and really helped us make educated and smart decisions.
Nubik was really great to work with. They were always available when we needed them. They were really proactive with us, checking in constantly.
The level of service we received from Nubik was outstanding.
Their partnership was really much appreciated and helped our team get to where we are today.
The change in our business before and after, I don't know how to put it into words. We are just so much better.
Now we've got colorful dashboards, live, real-time reporting, updates, and I'd put us as a 10.
If anyone else is looking to get onto the platform, we would absolutely recommend Nubik. They were really instrumental in having us understand how the platform works.
Being able to have an integrated platform is an investment in our organizational health and its future.
The work the Ottawa Senators Foundation is doing in the community and the impact we're having on children and youth is only going to get better, and that's thanks to Salesforce and Nubik.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Okay, my job here is done.